In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table using Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started with Elementor, integrating a table into your website can significantly enhance the way you present data. By following a few straightforward steps, you'll have a neatly organized table displayed on your site in no time. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Elementor editor where you're working on your web page. Once you're there, it's time to locate the text editor widget. You can easily find this widget by looking through the Elementor panel on the left side of your screen. Simply type Text Editor into the search bar and it should appear. Once you see it, drag the Text Editor widget onto the specific section of the page where you want your table to appear. This widget will serve as the foundation for inputting your HTML code. Now that you've successfully placed the text editor widget on your page, direct your attention to the settings panel on the left. You'll notice there are two tabs at the top of this panel, one labeled Visual and the other labeled Code. To enter HTML directly, you'll need to click on the Code tab. This switch is crucial because it allows you to insert HTML code without any interference from visual formatting, thus ensuring your table is displayed correctly. Once you're in the Code tab, it's time to paste your basic HTML code. This might include elements like the geesh tag and accompanying tags such as y for table rows and flower for table data. If you're new to HTML, don't worry. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but it's quite manageable, especially for creating a basic table structure. The kain tag will signify the start of your table, while f will denote each new row within your table. The wang tag, on the other hand, indicates the individual cells where you'll input your data. If you're looking to customize your table further, perhaps by adding borders, changing colors, or adjusting the width of columns, you might want to add some inline CSS to your HTML or create a more comprehensive style sheet. This can all be done from within the text editor widget on Elementor. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a table using Elementor. With a little bit of HTML know-how and patience, your web page will present data clearly and professionally. Remember, tables are great tools for organizing information, making it easier for your visitors to digest what you have to offer. Feel free to experiment with your table's design to make it fit seamlessly into your website's aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your web development journey.